Hey, it's Kenzie right here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're making slime with a slime kit from China off a website called Banggood, and I'll leave the description down in the link down in the description below. Sorry about that, guys. And so this cost $9.75, I think. 75 cents? Yeah, maybe. Anyways, and so it comes with glue and an activator. And it's supposed to come with 3 colors and 2 stirrers, but it only came with 1 stirrer and 4 colors, which isn't a problem because, more colors, I don't really need 2 stirrers. But anyways, it also comes with this tiny little bowl. It's so cute. Anyways, so this doesn't come with any instructions because if it did, this is what it looks like, which I can't read. So can you see it? Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. So why don't we just get started? Okay, so the first step is to add our glue. So I'm just gonna add a little bit because I don't want to fill the entire container and not have room for everything else. Okay. It's halfway coming off. Okay, I've got this. Got it. Okay, come on, little lid. Okay, so we're just gonna pour some in. Okay, that's probably good because I don't want to overfill. Now I can't get, okay. So now it's time for the colors, and I think I'm gonna go with orange because it's very bright. I don't know. I'm going to start off with this. So I just turn it. So here's the color. Oh, okay. I'm going to do there. That's 4 drops-ish. And now I can stir it. And I don't know how much this is going to color. I think it's going to need a lot more. I didn't know how this would work, and it's going to need a lot more. It's barely even colored, so. Oh, that was a long skirt. Okay. Let's see how much that helps. Well, it's just kind of it's not really coloring very well. I mean, you can see it, but I don't know. Let's just add some more. Maybe it'll help. Okay. Stir, stir, stir. Alright, I think I like this color. It's I like this color. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. And now it is time for our activator. Now this doesn't say how much to add or anything, so I'm just going to add a little bit at a time because I don't know if it's going to, if I can get this open. Okay, I'm going to have my cameraman open it. Yeah, I don't know how fast it's going to activate the slime, so I'm just going to slowly add some to it. Which would be kind of hard since it's just in a pour bottle, but Alrighty. Here it is. So I'm just going to try to pour very, very slowly. Okay. I'm really scared that it's going to over-activate. I'm trying to do this the best I can. Okay, it's already kind of thickening up, which was very fast. So we're going to keep doing just little tiny drops. Okay. Mix it up, get all of it in. It's starting to thicken. It's activating pretty fast. It's going to make a tiny slime though. Okay, add some more. Okay. It's activating really fast. It looks like a pretty good slime so far. Okay, now let's add some more. That should activate it most of the way then. Yep, I think it's almost done. I'm going to touch it. It's not really that sticky. It's not bad. So let's try to get it out. So it's a little bit sticky. It's not a whole lot, but I think a little bit more activator will help. So let's just add a few more drops. Actually, that was a lot, but I didn't mean to have that much. Sorry, I'm trying not to cover it, but it's a tiny bowl. So. Okay. So here's the slime. I love this color. It's super clear. It's a little bit sticky. So I took it out too soon. But it's actually not that bad. It's like very stretchy. It's not overactivated at all. It's got a pretty color. So I'm going to put it back in the container to add more activator to. And like, it looks pretty sticky, but it's really not that bad. Like, I'm getting out of it pretty fast. Compared to some slimes that I've made that, like, I can't get out of for, like, 10 minutes straight, but, like, I'm almost done. Okay, so now let's just pour a tiny little bit more. Tiny bit. Okay, that was actually a lot, like I said last time, but it's okay. Should be perfect. Mixing that up. Okay. So let's knead it. Oh! Because it's still kind of wet from the activator. But look at how clear this is. It's super clear and stretchy. This is like a really good slime. It's tiny, but it's really good. It's very, very good quality. It's a lot better than most store-bought slimes, like ones that you make from like the box. This is actually pretty good. So, this is a good slime, and I'm really excited to test out the other colors. I really like this, but I did notice that you had to put quite a bit of the coloring in to get even a light color. But still, it's really stretchy and pretty, super clear. And I had a lot of fun making this video. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!